like to cook?
No?
Do you like to exercise? What do you like to do for fun?
Okay, I'm ready. Hey guys, welcome to the first episode. I am so glad that you're here. So actually, this is one of the more recent episodes because for the past few weeks I've been doing a detox. And so I thought it would be really fun to kind of show you what started it all. And then next week, we're gonna go back in time to the very first episode that we did 2 years ago. We're gonna learn about cooking some exciting food and also about, what you need to do to make your body really work for you. So sit back and enjoy, and I am so excited. Welcome to Shape Up Sandi. Hey guys, it's Sandy from Shape Up Sandi, and today I am here with Mauro Davila, celebrity weight loss coach and healthy chef. Mauro, thank you so much for helping me do this, and I don't know what we're doing, but this just looks so amazingly yummy. I am getting starving.
I'm excited to surprise you. I hope surprises are gonna be positive.
Yeah.
And I feel honored that, inviting me to this amazing show. I'm so very, very happy.
Thank you. So before we get into all of this, because you're a weight loss coach.
Yes.
And you are gorgeous, and
Thank you.
you're tall and beautiful, and I look at you and I think like, she's never had to lose weight. So maybe tell me a little bit about your story and how you got here.
I struggled with my weight for 30 years. I had no time to eat healthy, no time to sleep, no time for anything. It was just work, work, work.
Boy, I know that story.
Eventually, I started to gain weight, also sick, and worst of all, depressed.
Yeah.
And that went on for 2 decades. What doctors started to do with all my health issues was started to give me more medicines and more medicines.
Yes.
And that was what I know now today, as a nutritionist, that was the worst thing. And bingo, when I was able to go back to school and learn how to eat, guess what? No more medicines. I'm proud that I don't take anything, and I feel better than ever. I think I've never been in better shape physically, mentally, and emotionally. And I really attribute it all to changing mainly my eating. And the other thing is, it doesn't have to be boring. I went on a mission that I wanted to find things that keep me satisfied and that help my body do what it needs to do to keep me healthy, happy, and thin. And so that's what I'm gonna prepare for you today.
And you're so inspiring, because I've seen you on Facebook, when you're going out for your jogs or your walks or whatever, and you're like, I don't feel like it, but I'm gonna do it. And every time I see that, I'm like, oh yeah, gosh, go girl. And then I'm like, okay, I can do it,
Yeah.
You really do inspire.
Thank you. Yeah, there's days, we gotta be honest, there's days you don't feel like doing it.
But like
I think
every day.
if you eat well, if you sleep well, it's gonna be more likely that you're gonna do it.
Yeah.
So
I'm just gonna take a guess and say guacamole.
yes.
Only you pronounce it guacamole.
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 See, so I think this is, obviously, I'm known for that, and I cannot go without making my
so
guacamole.
This is your famous dish.
Well, before we start, these are garlics, peeled, and I'm gonna roast them because it gives it a very special flavor.
Yeah.
So while we're talking, I'm just gonna roast them and until they become a little blackish.
So no oil or anything, you just throw the garlics in?
Yeah.
Look in this cute little pan.
Yeah. And so now what we're gonna talk about is, this is a molcajete. It's
molcajete. That's what I meant.
traditional mixing bowl made of stone.
If I don't, do I have to go out and get one of these to make?
No, you can do in a glass bowl
Just
and then use a potato masher.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. But what I like about this, it's gonna bring out the flavors of things in a different way. It's great to make salsas. You can buy it in Amazon for $20, $30, so it's very nice to have. So we're gonna start, normally we would add the roasted garlic, but we're gonna wait a second. We're gonna start with the onions. Onions, great for gut health, to reduce inflammation. It's part of the recipe, but also part of the recipe for success. And so I want you to know so that you can also use this in other things.
I want to cut the avocado. I want to try this trick with
try
the
it.
avocado trick.
I hope it's a little more ripe. So I'm just turning around the garlics while she's doing that, so that it becomes roasted, brownish, blackish from both sides.
Okay.
Good.
It worked.
See?
Oh my God, look at that. There's really no way to cook without getting stuff on your hands, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Here's a towel. I always have like a towel near me.
Okay, well that one was a little bit messy.
Yeah. I need to bake some things, so we're gonna start doing this and then you'll see what's for. But right now I'm gonna show you a very simple trick that you can use for any veggies. This is jicama. Jicama is like a sort of like a Mexican yam, and we're gonna taste it raw and also baked. So again, any vegetable, and this is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil.
Okay.
And this is a brush, a silicone brush, and this is what I do you know, sometimes it's very hard. How do you coat everything with oil? So you can see. Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
I want to do it.
Okay. This is going to give a good flavor. We're adding some healthy fats that we want to have in a lot of the things we do. We're going to put this in the oven. I turned it on a while ago. It's at 425.
425,
Fahrenheit.
okay. Yep.
And then we're going to cook them for about like 20 minutes and then we'll check. We'll see.
We got a helper here, huh? I love it.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Charlotte.
Charlotte. All right. So you're going to help me make this guacamole, huh?
While I'm getting this thing ready,
Okay.
do you want to cut the pepper like I showed you? Remember?
Oh, okay, right. I cut each end, right? Mm-hmm. And then I'm going to cut down the middle, and then I'm going to kind of like take the seeds and stuff out.
Yes.
This pepper is a weird shape. It makes me nervous.
Do you want me to help you?
No.
Just want you to get
Unless
the
you're going to
practice.
come home with me and cook for me all the time, then
I would love to.
I gotta do it myself. And if you want to come home with me and cook for me all the time, that's
Yes.
just fine.
Okay.
My kitchen is not nearly as nice as yours.
So Charlotte's helped me do guacamole a bunch of times. She's very good at
so
it.
you're already an expert at this, huh, Charlotte?
Yeah.
So I think now that we have her, so she's my daughter, and I think it's very good for us to like teach kids from early on that food can be tasty and also good for you, and to teach them to listen to their body and see how they feel with one or another type of food. With a kid, you never talk about weight or anything because it's not relevant, but you talk about health.
Right. And
And
you know,
being smart, I tell her, if you want to be smart, you got to eat right.
I think it's so awesome that you cook with her, because one of the reasons that I don't cook is because my mom would like chase me out of the kitchen. I was never allowed in the kitchen.
Yeah, she still doesn't allow me in the kitchen. You know, she's got her systems and everything, but she just doesn't want anybody to mess it up or get in her way.
So I don't cook. My mom's an awesome cook, but
Well,
she
this
never...
is awesome. So then remember how we're going to do? We're going to do stripes.
Oh, right, stripes, and then cut it, dice it. Probably more comfortable with the knives than I am.
Okay, now Sandy's gonna show us how to bring all these powers together. So we have the onions, and now we're gonna add the garlic, which has boost for your immune system.
Okay.
We roasted it, remember, and cut it.
Right.
And I'm also gonna add the peppers.
So we're doing like all the spicy stuff first.
Yeah, because I wanna like really mash them with the rock thing first.
Okay.
And so mix all the flavors. So let's try.
Let me do one, and then you take it over for me, okay? So I just like...
Yeah, make sure that coming out all the flavors, those nutrients. Remember, peppers are going to help you boost your metabolism, help you burn fat, and reduce your appetite.
I shouldn't be shy or worry about it like getting ground into the stone or anything.
No, that's what you want. It's going to be so much better than if you just mix it. I mean, you'll see.
So is this good enough?
Yes, this is a detoxifier. It helps you get rid of heavy metals, and Sandy will mix it together. So again, bringing all the juices, the essential oils that cilantro has, and do it like this. I like to do it like, yeah, that's a great way to bring out all
That's
the...
kind of a good arm workout too.
Yeah. And see, do you see all the juices?
Yeah.
Okay,
You guys
cool.
see that in there?
We're gonna add then the next one is the avocado.
All right, here, Charlotte. This is all you. You get to do this
And
one.
you can do as much or as little as you want, depending if you want chunky or creamy or whatever, right? I like chunky. How do you like it?
I like it a little bit chunky, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna mix everything. So mix it just, just so that
Like
it
kind of fold it?
yeah, fold it. That's perfect.
What do you guys think? I bet you guys are getting hungry, huh? I wish that you could be here and you could taste this and that you
Yes.
could eat it with me. I know you guys want these recipes, so here's the deal. I am going to put these recipes, with your permission,
Yes.
into the Facebook group, Shape Up Sandy. They will be in the files section. So if you want some of these recipes, and you do, you need to come join my Facebook group. Come on and join Shape Up Sandy, and you can get these recipes from Maru. And if you want more of Maru's recipes, then go over to Amazon and pick up her book, The Mexican Food Diet.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so now we're gonna do lemon juice. You can use lemon juice or lime juice. They're both really good. And both of them are detoxifiers and vitamin C, antioxidant protection. And this is great to help you remove chemicals. You know, our life is surrounded by chemicals that are making us fat, actually, because it's proven that those chemicals, which are toxic to our bodies, are making people like resistant to insulin and a lot of other things that not a lot of people are talking about. And so here's the lemon. And then I'm gonna add magic powders. Here what I have is garlic powder, celery powder. I have turmeric and sea salt. Turmeric is my favorite because it's one of the best ways to control blood sugar. And you know, blood sugar, if you want to lose weight or stay healthy, you want to keep your blood sugar stable. Blood sugar that's unstable will make you hungry, will make you gain fat, and will also make you tired. And now I will do this, okay?
So that it doesn't fly out.
Yeah.
Because the powder can fly out and make us all sneeze, and then you'd be covered in powder. Or it'll be like when my kids were babies and I would wear them all the time, and I would eat and I would drop everything on their head.
Yep, that's true.
Not on purpose, just.
Yeah,
you know.
so now let me give you some chips so you can taste it. We're ready to taste the first chips
I gotta taste it.
of the day.
I gotta taste it.
So we have here, I'm going to give you some chips that we.
Oh my God, I am in love with this roasted jicama.
Yeah, it's really good. And you can put also lemon when you roast it or after. So this is what you would be eating for a snack or for a side dish to not stay hungry. Is that hard, Sandy?
It's a little bit hard. I mean, there are a lot of steps. There are a lot of ingredients. You know, it must be the spices and the lemon that just make this like different from any guacamole I've ever had before. I highly, highly, highly recommend trying this at home because yum. Just yum.
And Sandy, when I started my health journey, I didn't really know how to cook anything. So it's just...
Really?
I still don't like to spend a lot of time, but I like to eat well. I like to enjoy. Like this is for me a treat. I don't feel like I'm on a diet. Because I'm not. I'm on a healthy lifestyle journey forever. It was good, so how was it? Say.
Yeah, I agree. And let me tell you, okay, I eat a lot of guacamole from a lot of different places, and this is the best I've ever had.
Well, thank you.
This is why you're famous for this, I think.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching, and stay right here on the Sandy Balloon channel because that's where next week's Shape Up Sandy will be. Every Tuesday, coming at you.
These are so good, right?
I know. I don't even care if they're like kind of a little bit extra crispy.
If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button, show me some love, share it everywhere. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment. What else do you want to see? What else do you want to learn? What else should we try together? And come by our Facebook group, Shape Up Sandy, and share your journey with me. I can't wait to hear what you're doing to get yourself out of your rut and to start taking steps to get the life that you love, to transform body, mind, and spirit. We're on this journey together. Just go try something and then come into the Facebook group, Shape Up Sandy, and tell me what you did and how you liked it. I'll see you next
Next week,
time.
we're doing
Mwah.
aerial yoga. You know, that's where you're like doing yoga, but you're doing it up in the air on a big stretchy ribbony thingy. Yep, that's what we're doing.